Is your Kia K5 refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, most connectivity issues are software glitches that can be cleared in under 2 minutes. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system talking to your phone again. Start by swapping your cable and checking your phone settings to ensure CarPlay is permitted. Check if your firmware is outdated or if screen time restrictions are accidentally blocking the connection. If settings look correct, use the physical reset pin near your volume knob to reboot the head unit. Most issues are software-based, but a damaged USB port or internal hardware failure will require a service visit. A simple reset costs nothing, while dealer repairs for hardware can climb into the hundreds. Always ensure your infotainment software is current by using the official Kia updater on a formatted USB drive. Keep a small kit with compressed air and high-quality cables to keep your connection stable long-term. Remember, technology is great until it is not, so never underestimate the power of a hard reset. If these steps fixed your Kia K5, hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.